Hello, dear students. Today I'm going to start with another new topic from the chapter Crop Production and Management, that is irrigation. All the living beings need water to live, right? And water is very important for proper growth and development of a plant. And this water is absorbed by the plant's root. And along with the water, minerals and fertilizers are also absorbed, help in the normal growth of the plant and normal growth of a plant. So plants contain nearly 90% of the water, and it is essential because germination of seeds does not take place under dry conditions, and nutrients dissolved in the water are also transported to each part of the plant. Okay, one part in ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕದು. And water also protects the crop from the both frost and hot air currents. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಡ್ರೈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ತುಂಬಾ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್. And to maintain the moisture of the soil for healthy crop growth, fields have to be watered regularly. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅದನ್ನ ಡ್ರೈ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, so we have to watering it regularly. Coming to the definition of irrigation, irrigation means the supply of water to crops at regular intervals. We call it as irrigation. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಕೋ ಅವಾಗ ವಾಟರ್ಗೆ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ಗೆ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇರಿಗೇಷನ್. ದ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಟು ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಸ್, ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇರಿಗೇಷನ್. The time and frequency of irrigation varies from crop to crop and soil to soil and season to season. For example, for the summer crops, we have to provide more amount of water. During rainy season, it doesn't require that much of water, right? And also some of the soil will absorb more water and some soil will absorb less water. So the time and frequency of irrigation will vary from one crop to another crop, one soil to another soil, and season to season. In summer, the frequency of watering is higher. Why is it so? So it could be due to the increased rate of evaporation of water from the soil and the leaves. So evaporation rate ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So to overcome that, it will absorb more water. So this is the definition of irrigation. What are the sources of irrigation? ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ಗೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್? ಮೇನ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ದ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇರಿಗೇಷನ್ ಆರ್ ವೆಲ್ಸ್, ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ವೆಲ್ಸ್, ಪಾಂಡ್ಸ್, ಲೇಕ್ಸ್, ರಿವರ್ಸ್, ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೆನಾಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಬಾವಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಕುಂಟೆ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಕೆರೆ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ನದಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಕೆನಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. So these are all the sources of irrigation. Coming to the types of irrigation methods we follow, one is traditional method and modern method. So traditional means ancient method and modern means nowadays what we are using, that is modern methods. Now let us study traditional method. The water available in wells, lakes and canals is lifted by different methods. ಸೊ ಕೆರೆ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಕುಂಟೆ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಾವಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ವಾಟರ್ನ ತೆಗೆದು ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕುವಂಥ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಟಲ್ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಲೇಬರ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್, ಐದರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಲ್ ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಇಟ್. And these methods are cheaper but less efficient. Okay, so these are less efficient and they are cheaper. The various traditional ways are, first one is moat or pulley system or chain pump, Deckley, Rahat. It is also called as lever system. Now let us see the pictures of it. Second one is chain pump. So with the help of a chain ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ನೋಡಿ chain, here you can see. So ಇದರಿಂದ ವಾಟರ್ನ ಇದು ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. Second one, chain pump. So next is Deckley. This is done by manually. Rahat. ಸೊ ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನಿ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಈ ಥರ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ವಾಟರ್ನ ಇದನ್ನ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಬಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫಿಟೆಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಆ ಬಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟರ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ವಾಟರ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಪೋರ್ ಟು ದ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್. Next is modern method. So sprinkler irrigation system, drip irrigation system. These are the two types of modern methods. Sprinkler irrigation. So sprinkler irrigation means it is a type of irrigation help us to use water economically. So this system is more useful on the uneven land. Uneven andre so ಸಮವಾಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಆ ಥರದ್ದು. Where sufficient water is not available, we can use it. And even for the most of the herbs like vegetables, carrot, beetroot, and even radish. So for these kind of crops, they'll use sprinkler irrigation. And here you can see a perpendicular pipes. They are having a rotating nozzle. Itara perpendicular agi pipe irutte and they have a nozzle here on the top, and they are joined to the main pipe. Here they have joined to the main pipeline at a regular intervals. So when water is allowed to flow, when it is allowed to flow under a pressure with the help of a pump, it escape from the rotating nozzle. Itara hogi it will start to escape from the rotating nozzle. So since this nozzle is rotating, water is also like sprinkling. So it will sprinkle on the crop as if it is raining. Just like ಮಳೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅದೇ ಥರನೇ ಇದು ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ರೈನಿಂಗ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಕ್ಲರ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲಾನ್. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಲಾನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಈವನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಅವರ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್. ಸೊ ಈವನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಾಫಿ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟೇಶನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆವರಲ್ ಅದರ್ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಕ್ಲರ್ irrigation. This is one of the best method of irrigative system. Next is drip system or drip irrigation system. So this is also one of the modern method of irrigation. So in this system, the water falls drop by drop directly near the roots. So see here, this is the main pump. We have a drip, small wire like structures, and it is called as drip system. So the water falls drop by drop near the roots. So it is called as drip system. And it is the best technique for watering fruit plants, garden trees, etc. And water is not wasted at all. ಇಲ್ಲಿ water waste ಆಗುವಂಥ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, because it is directly going to the roots, and it is a boon in the region where availability of water is poor. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಶಾರ್ಟೇಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅಂಥ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ irrigation system, because water will not be wasted. It is directly going to the roots. So these are the types of irrigation we follow.